The CAKE Ösa electric scooter wins 2021 German Design Award. Welcome to the Motorcycle TV. Here you get fastest updates about motorcycles. A fitting prize for such a practical machine. Those who are familiar with electric motorcycles and scooters are likely acquainted with CAKE, the Swedish company which specializes in lightweight electric motorcycles. With several performance-oriented machines like the CAKE line of enduro bikes, the company also has a revolutionary electric scooter that has won numerous awards because of its practical, modular design. Indeed, the CAKE Ösa is an exercise in modern utilitarianism with a touch of subtle style. A testament to this would be the fact that the Ösa has just bagged the 2021 German Design Award. With CAKE yet again bagging another design award, it would appear that the Swedish electric motorcycle manufacturer is on a roll, and it would be just a matter of time before we start seeing their electric two-wheelers roll into markets across the globe. CAKE previously won the 2018 German Design Award for the CAKE Ösa, and the 2020 Red Dot Award also for the Ösa. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more regular updates.